Question 29a. Sarah tried to solve this equation and made a mistake in line 2. Copy the equation in line 1 into your working booklet and continue your solution to solve this equation for W. Show all lines of working. So the first line, which is just copied straight from the question, is this equation W plus 4 over 3 minus 2W minus 1 over 5 equals 1. Now our first step is to eliminate the fraction on the left hand side by multiplying each of these terms by 15. Since by multiplying by 15, that'll eliminate the 3 and the 5 at the same time. So we can write it like this. 15 over 3, so that denominator of 3 just gets moved out to here. Outside of W plus 4 minus 15 over 5, so that's this 5 here. Outside of 2W minus 1 equals 15. That's 1 multiplied by 15 equals 15. Now we can simplify the fractions. So 15 over 3 is 5 and 15 over 5 is 3. So the equation becomes 5 outside of W plus 4 minus 3 outside of 2W minus 1 equals 15. So we've eliminated the fractional component of this equation. Next we need to expand the brackets. So just multiplying through, 5 times W is 5W. 5 times positive 4 is positive 20. Negative 3 times 2W is negative 6W, and negative 3 multiplied by negative 1, negative multiplied by negative gives a positive, and that equals positive 3. And this entire left-hand side, of course, equals 15. Now we can collect the like terms. So we have a 5W and a negative 6W there, and we have a positive 20 and a positive 3. That can be combined. So 5W minus 6W is equal to negative W, and positive 20 plus 3 is positive 23 or plus 23, and that equals 15. Now we can subtract 23 from both sides. So we have negative W as the subject of the formula, and that equals 15 minus 23. And 15 minus 23 is equal to negative 8. And if we multiply or divide both sides by negative 1, we have W equals 8. Now if you have time, it's worth verifying the solution. And we do that by substituting this value of W into the original equation, and then checking that the left-hand side in fact equals 1. So the left-hand side is 8 plus 4 over 3 minus 2 times 8 minus 1 over 5. And evaluating that, we get 12 over 3 minus 15 over 5, which equals 4 minus 1. And that equals 1, which equals the right-hand side of the original equation. So therefore, we are confident that W equals 8 is the correct answer.